Hi, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the orientation settings on this device. Basically what I mean by orientation settings is on which wrist you want to wear your watch and on which side do you want to have your crown button to be. So let's continue. Let's wake up the screen by tapping on it and then press the crown button to open the menu. Now let's find the settings icon right here and tap on it to enter settings. Once in settings, let's tap on the general. And then as you can see here we have orientation. Let's tap on it. And in here you can change on which wrist you're gonna wear your watch, left or right, and on which side you want to have your digital crown. For example, when I tap on left, the screen will rotate, and now I have a digital crown on the left side. And when I tap on right, again it's gonna rotate, and I have digital crown on the right side. And that's how you change it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.